Hi traders, I'm Kagiso Mahuma and today I'm going to be showing you on how to close a trade. So this is a real quick easy step with regards to closing an order or a market execution you've placed and you're happy with the returns that you're currently on and you'd like to close your trade for the day and call it a night. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the top of your screen on the button on view. And there you will then click on the button called terminal. And there most of your trade information should pop up and most of the information for your running trades should appear here. Okay, so as you can see, I have my trade running and I'd really like to now close it. So you're going to look at the right hand side of your screen. You should see an X and this is how you close your trade. Or you can just click on the trade you'd like to close, right click on it, and then you'll see an option here for close trade in which you'll then click and your trade will be closed. Thank you so much for watching this how-to video. For more information, do make sure to watch our YouTube channel. Thank you.